Hello, my dear friends. Dr. Florence Nightingale, and today I want to share something very important, especially if you are over the age of 60 or if you have parents and loved ones in this stage of life. Have your legs been feeling weaker lately? Do you sometimes notice that climbing stairs, standing up, or even walking across the room feels harder than before? If so, you are not alone. But here's the good news. It's not just aging. In fact, new research shows that certain natural teas can actually rebuild muscle, improve blood circulation, reduce inflammation, and restore energy without the need for pills or exhausting workouts. And the best part? These teas are simple, safe, and backed by solid science. For example, a long-term study in Japan followed thousands of older adults and discovered that those who drank green tea regularly were far more likely to maintain their muscle strength and balance. Even legendary Japanese sprinter Hidekichi Miyazaki, who kept running past the age of 100, credited his daily cup of green tea as one of his secrets to staying strong. So in today's health talk, I will share the top 3 teas for seniors that can help boost leg strength, energy, and vitality. And if you stay with me until the very end, I'll also reveal a surprising tea ingredient you've probably never heard of, but it's been proven to supercharge circulation and fight fatigue. 1. Ginger turmeric tea. A warm cup of ginger turmeric tea can be a true game changer for older adults. If your legs often feel heavy, sore, or tired after simple activities, this tea could become one of your most trusted daily habits. Why? Because ginger and turmeric are 2 of nature's strongest anti-inflammatory roots. Together, they reduce swelling, soothe aching joints, and fight muscle fatigue. Ginger improves blood flow, ensuring that your hard-working leg muscles receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to stay strong. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, protects muscles from breaking down and supports faster recovery after movement. And here's a bonus. Ginger also gives your metabolism a natural boost. Unlike coffee, it won't make you jittery. Instead, you'll feel gently energized, more alert, and more motivated to stay active. Preparing it is simple. Slice some fresh ginger root, add a teaspoon of ground or fresh turmeric, and let it steep in hot water for 10 minutes. Always add a pinch of black pepper. It helps your body absorb curcumin better. You may add honey or lemon for taste. Drink 1 cup daily, preferably in the morning, and within a few weeks, you'll likely notice lighter legs, more stable steps, and improved energy. 2. Ginseng green tea. Next is ginseng green tea, a refreshing drink that feels like a gentle wake-up call for your muscles and mind. Ginseng has been used for centuries as a natural energy booster. It works as an adaptogen, meaning it helps your body cope with stress and fatigue. When combined with green tea, rich in antioxidants, it becomes a powerful tonic for older adults. Ginseng improves endurance and muscle performance, helping your legs use oxygen more efficiently so you don't tire as quickly. Green tea supports cell repair, protects your muscles from aging damage, and gives you steady, balanced energy without the crash of coffee. To prepare, steep a green tea bag in hot water for 2 to 3 minutes. Add a few slices of ginseng root or a 1/4 teaspoon of dry ginseng powder, and let it infuse for another 5 minutes. Add lemon or honey if you prefer. Drink it daily for long-term benefits. Research shows that seniors who use ginseng regularly reported stronger legs, a better balance, and reduced fatigue. Even well-known figures in their 70s, like Jackie Chan, have shared that ginseng tea is part of their wellness routine. 3. Ashwagandha. Root tea. Finally, let's talk about ashwagandha root tea, a special tea that helps not just your legs, but your whole body and mind. Ashwagandha is another adaptogen. It reduces stress hormones like cortisol, which otherwise weaken muscles and drain energy. It also supports better sleep, a crucial factor for muscle recovery. Studies show that seniors who use ashwagandha regularly experience improved lower body strength, better balance, and more stamina. It also strengthens the connection between your nerves and muscles, which means steadier steps and more confident walking. To prepare, simmer 1 teaspoon of dried ashwagandha. Root in water for 10 to 15 minutes, then strain. You can add cinnamon or honey for flavor. Drink it daily. Some prefer mornings for calm energy, others evenings for better sleep and recovery. So, there you have it. Ginger, turmeric tea to fight inflammation and boost circulation. Ginseng green tea to improve stamina and steady energy. Ashwagandha root tea to reduce stress, support nerves, and restore balance. These aren't just drinks. They're daily tools for stronger muscles, steadier walking, and renewed vitality. Remember, the secret is consistency. 1 cup a day, combined with light activity and a positive mindset, can make a world of difference. If you found this health talk helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss my future tips. And let me know in the comments, which tea will you try first? This is Dr. Florence Nightingale, wishing you strength, health, and vitality. Stay active, stay independent, and stay forever strong.